A few weeks ago, Phoby was watching one of Double O Bill's YouTube productions. I believe that was the tenderization of the 040 Caledonian, and Phoby decided that indeed blue engines are very nice. So I came home a couple of days ago to find that he'd attacked my credit card, and now he has bought some blue engines. So we have the Caledonian 422, which is a very early locomotive. Then we have the 040, again Caledonian, and we have two Highland Railways. One is Loch Ness, and the other one, I would probably insult lots of people if I tried to pronounce that. So, and he also found a red Desmond. So, the problem is, I have now got the bill on my credit card, which he managed to access. So, Phoby is not in my good books at the moment. Well, thank you for watching, and Phoby says, till next time. And if you would like to like and subscribe, that would be wonderful. Thank you. Goodbye.